You need to use something in budget to play some games and collect a minimum of 15 tickets. Each person must contribute in the games.
Play games until we have 15 tickets.
Yeah, let's go. Whoa! Exchange them for a yellow envelope with all mandatory challenges for each teammate. Okay, we can get to that. Okay. So where are we going next? Oh, con on. Got a con on.
Elevator. Remember, it's about creativity, isn't it?
Okay. Can someone get off on their phone the address? Right there.
Wait, yeah. I have a smiley face on my...
Fine, Paul. What the heck? Oh, it's on the other side of town. What? We can't. That's way too far. I know. That's what I'm thinking.
Wait, there's a time limit on this. You have to ride before 12.
Oh! I've got a clue. It's not supposed to be called St. Stephen's because this street's called Elizabeth.
We're doing this one, where we have to go to, I think, a cathedral that's on Paul and Elizabeth Street. We found some butterflies. My point is, why aren't we doing these if we can do them on the way to the mandatory task?
Yeah.
It doesn't slow us down, we get extra points.
Straight up.
Okay. What one are we walking towards now? Sure to be seen. Look around the Jimmy's outside for a character inside. A challenge you will get once you have met.
One person has to go in to approach someone and find a character.
Yeah.
And then we have to do something.
Is it the Three Boys and Raiders beanies?
No, they just look like normal people having
They look like Three Boys and Raiders beanies.
Yeah.
It might be the guys with the beanies. I know. Where's Wally has a beanie?
I think that's really weird.
We can say, hey, we're doing a treasure hunt. Is it you guys? It's a coincidence. It's quite a funny coincidence.
It's not bad.
Is it not done?
We don't know what we're doing. We aren't helping you.
Guys are enemies.
Let's
We're
go.
going to
What if we give you a hint to a place?
What
That you haven't found
No,
yet?
Kate. Kate. No. No, Kate. They're not going to
Illusion.
Because we know where to go.
Oh, it's a goal. Find a character.
Yes, that is me. What team number are you? Team number 7. Well done. Okay, so I have your challenge here for you. Okay. Alright. Don't tell anyone.
Look for a character builder. How can we miss that?
1. Cute. The clue was like a character in Jimmy's, and so there's a Jimmy's restaurant, and the people were with his character builders, and guess what the character was? A character builder.
We're gonna do like the office and just slowly, just like have just.
No, Kristen Bell, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
That is not Kristen Bell.
Surely.
It's Benedict Cumberbatch. I cannot believe it. So we just got photos of an anti-vaxxer because we needed something related to COVID, so we got a photo and
It's got Auschwitz on the front.
He was wearing his mask on his head. Get the vaccine. Get the vaccine.
I didn't even realize. He's just like, sick. Let's do it. Let's get it done.
Don't trust this, kids. This is false information.
All right.
Where's a bin? I was wondering, could we go in there and get a selfie? We'll go to McDonald's next to get soft serve and the French fries. And then do you want to get the pickles? I do. I want to eat it too. I will eat that. I question my life decisions. You guys need to be in it.
Smell on the ground.
Oh!
that a good thing?
I'm trying to spell out my name. It's really
The fries hanging out the nose has to be done by the person who has.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Even though they are in my nose, I'm not looking at them any further. Are we all doing bubblegum?
I don't like them.
Yeah, but it's fun. Hold on, let's go. Oh my god, you're so smart. Guys, get ready.
That was disappointing.
Do you want my gum?
No, stop.
Hello.
Brin, hurry up. Come on, Brin. Blow us bubble. Yes! Authoritarian figure. Yes! Let's do it quickly. Thank you. There we go. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Anchor it.